Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be attempting again to make the peanut butter and jelly milkshake from 50's Primetime Cafe. Let's get started. In order to make the peanut butter and jelly milkshake, you will need peanut butter, jelly, some milk, and some vanilla ice cream. First things first, you take off the lid. And the first thing you put in is the ice cream. Next is the peanut butter. After the peanut butter comes the jelly. And then finally, you put the milk in. Now we put the top back on. And mix. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Or you can check out some of my other videos here on this channel. Have a great day.